What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we're going to be opening up a new 2022 Hot Wheels Premium. We have this from the Exotic Envy series from 2022. This is the Koenigsegg Agera R. I believe this was the fastest car in the world at one time. Nice red, kind of a candy red color on this Koenigsegg Agera R. Today is Freedom Friday, and I'm going to be cracking up this nice premium for the group that I'm in on Facebook. This is 3 of 5 from the Exotic Envy series. Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture. I have that one as well. This is the one that we're opening up today. There's the rest of it. 2021 copyright. And we have a little bit of a damaged corner on top here, so kind of an excuse to open it. I'm going to put this on my Plano case. Good display. And a little bit of harder crack open. I haven't cracked open a premium in a long time, or actually I haven't cracked open any cars in a long time. Been busy with school and quite hard to get these premiums out of the package anyways, so that was very bad. Alright, well, it's open. How's that look? Really bad. It's okay. I do save the cards, but like that, I'm disappointed in myself. Anyways, we're looking at the car right now. This has, I noticed, a plastic spoiler. Pretty cool. They put an extra piece for a spoiler. And this has the black Real Rider 5-spoke mags. That's what the wheel choice is. We have a nice sports car with the window right there and then the curved windshield. There's the nice details on that. And this has a metal base. This is metal on metal. Casting's been out since 2013. Came out in 2014 with the 6 spokes on it. Here's the back there. Very nice looking car. And there is the other side. The mirrors, the vents there. All the painted details on this thing. Painted headlights. Black interior. Driving is on the American side, which is the left side. And there you guys go. A nice little look at the Koenigsegg Agera R by Hot Wheels from the Exotic Envy 2022 series. And metal on metal. Nice red color with the black rubber wheels. Very nice looking ride. This is going to go straight in my Plano case. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. And we'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.